This video is all about how to use command fillet in AutoCAD. Command fillet is used for create round corner or join two objects with the tangent arc. We can use command fillet by use the fillet icon in the Modify panel. Now I will explain you about how to use the command fillet and fillet setting in AutoCAD. First, you can click on the fillet icon in the Modify panel. But before selecting the object, we need to specify the fillet radius first by clicking the radius option in the command line or type all and press enter. And entering the radius value, click on first object, then click on the second object to adding the fillet every corner of the object. It's so hard, right? We need to retrain the command again and again. Now I have another way to fillet the object easily. By using command fillet multiple. First, use the command fillet and check the radius of the corner. And we can look at the command line. We will see the multiple. And click on multiple, or we can use shortcut enter. And now we can fillet every corner of our object without return the command again and again. Fillet multiple is allow you to continue adding fillet after selecting the first two objects. Wait. Have another way to use the fillet easily by using fillet polyline. First enter the command fillet, and we will see that the polyline on the command line. On polyline, or we can use shortcut P enter. And then click on the polyline. Make sure that all corners of the object are joined. Looks very easy, right? It fillets all corners of the polyline at once. Done! Please follow and subscribe for more videos for civil engineering. Bye!